Hey guys, what's really good? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dymund, and we're just gonna dive right into it. You guys already know what it is. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you comment, make sure you like, and make sure you share this video, because this video is bombastic, telefantastic. You know how we do, nothing but good vibes and positivity, and that's on period. Okay, so basically I was sent this hair here from UNice or UNice, depends on how you say it, but for me it's like UNice. This is the blonde ombre highlight hair, and it's 150 density. The construction of the hair, as you can see here, the construction is really nice. It's got the nice sliding combs just there to make sure that your wig is secure on your head. And the quality of this lace, I was actually really impressed. Like, I feel like I didn't need to dye it. I didn't need to dye the roots. Maybe I'll go ahead and do it later on in the future, but as of now I literally just put my foundation on the lace and I was good to go. It had a nice decent shine to it. The hair overall, you know, being taken out of the bag, looked absolutely amazing. I had no complaints at all. I got mine in a 24 inch. Just look at the highlights and the lowlights, because I do believe there's highlights and lowlights in this one, but it's just absolutely stunning. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. There's no shedding of this hair and there's no funny smell. I hate me like a funny smelling wig.
So just here on the left hand side, I actually plucked a little bit of the wig. The wig does come pre-plucked, but I did want to go in and just give more of a natural hairline just there. So I did go in and pluck in just a little bit. But yeah, so just go ahead and just lay your wig down as you would normally do it. On this occasion, I didn't want to go with the bold cap method or anything like that, because I was literally just going to use the video for today. The hair is really good quality, by the way. Like, okay, the hair is really good quality. So I had to go in with my wax stick, which you can get from your local beauty shop supplier. Yeah, so I just used the wax stick just to get some of that hair out of the way so I could have a clearer workspace. But yeah, I went in with my Gots to Be glue, and I gave myself a temporary slay basically. Okay, and as you saw earlier on, the edge wrap here comes with the package and it is satin, so that really helps, you know, with just retaining some of that moisture in your hair. So thank you so much for the good gifts. And then it also came with a wig cap, and it also comes with some mink lashes. So yeah, so just go ahead and lay your wig down as you would normally, and I'll be back in a little while. I just went in here with a little bit of concealer. It just tidies up that parting a little bit, makes it a little bit more pronounced. So yeah, just go ahead and try to flatten. I tried to flatten this hair as much as I could. So because it had come out of the pack fresh, there was a little bit of wrinkles in there. So I did just go in with the flat iron and I just tried to straighten it out as much as I could. But to be honest with you, I don't feel like it really needed that much heat. I think I was even using it on 190. Yeah, so it didn't take that much heat, but the hair is such good quality. Honestly, like really good quality of this hair, and it takes really well to heat as well. Bearing in mind, I haven't put no products in this hair, but look at the natural shine. Look at the shine on this wig. So I have mentioned before that I like to cut my lace front in a zigzag motion to give a little bit of a nicer looking hairline. Go ahead and separate the parts that you want to lay down as baby hair. I mean, you don't have to have baby hair for this one, but I just thought, why not? You know, I definitely could have worn it without the baby hair as well. But yeah, listen, do whatever you want, whatever pleases you, whichever way you do it, go ahead and do it. So I went ahead and I cut my baby hair to my liking. If you are interested to see how I did it, it hasn't changed. I do it the same all the time, so you can go ahead and look at my previous videos for reference. But yeah, so I literally just used a little bit of mousse just to lay down my baby hair there, just to give it a really nice look. And to be honest with you, it was so easy. It was so easy, guys. Honestly, it was so easy to get this baby hair to just lay down the way that I wanted it to lay down. Yeah, this hair so far, I'm really loving working with this hair. It hasn't given me trouble at all. It's like everything is just falling into place. The hair is really soft, hardly any shedding. I mean, there's always going to be shedding, right? So I can't say there's 100% no shedding, but hardly any shedding, nothing, you know, too alerting. Absolutely just a really nice wig to work with. But yeah, so go ahead and just lay down your baby hair whichever way you want, or don't. But yeah, go ahead and do that. And then I'm using this wax stick. Like I said, the hair quality is really good on this hair. So yeah, so every now and then I kept going back in with my wax stick just to push some of that unwanted hair out of the way, to give me a clearer workstation, so that my baby hair is not messy and is not looking all tangled at the front. We've all seen it, you know, before, and that's not really my look. So yeah, take your time with that.
So I just wanted to give my honest review on this hair and what I think about it. I'll send over this hair here on my head, and this came from the company UNice or UNice. I prefer UNice because then it's like, oh, your wig, you nice, like or whatever. So this hair was the 13x4 frontal lace frontal. I absolutely loving the quality of this hair. From, you know, the first time I took it out of the package, I was just like, wow, the quality was really good. I was feeling it up and I was like, yes, this is everything. The pluckerization was just really easy. It wasn't tedious, it wasn't jarring, it wasn't nothing like that. There was no rip to the lace either. It was just really overall really nice quality, and it comes pre-plucked as well, so which meant that I didn't really have to do much of the plucking. I love a good wig where I can just customize it to my liking and it doesn't take hours. You know, it doesn't take hours. The plucking just ain't right. I have to dye the roots, I have to do this, I have to straighten it, and it's not taking a while to heat. All of that for me is just like, I avoid all of that. But in regards to this hair here, absolutely stunning. So this particular wig that I have on here, this is from the bettyou series, and I absolutely love the quality of this wig. As I said, I have nothing to really complain about it, and I'm not just singing like the high praises because I've got the wig. I give honest reviews to wigs, and this is just one of them wigs that just sits in like my top 10. I'm running my fingers through this hair and it's just absolutely nice. No shedding to this hair at all, and I like the subtle colors, you know, because sometimes people like to stay away from like blondes or whatever because they feel like it's a little bit too harsh, or, you know, it just doesn't suit their skin complexion, or they just feel like they can't get away with it. But this one, I really like how subtle it is. It's not screaming loud. It's not like a 316 where it's just like screaming, look at me, look at me. This one is really subtle, absolutely gorgeous. I really love this one. Okay, so in terms of the wig itself, it did say it is 150, but I definitely feel like it's pushing to like 180 because it's full like all the way to the end. So I don't really know about that, but this hair is absolutely stunning. Listen, transparent lace is always amazing, okay? So then it means you don't have to do much to it. I love the way she complements my skin as well, my skin tone. Melanin popping. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Yeah, I love this one. Comment down below, let me know what you think or whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl Dymund. I love and I appreciate you, and I'll catch you in another video.